Hey, it's Phil Cooper with TRC. We're starting to answer your questions that we see on site, get called in. One of the most common ones we've noticed in the last 5 years is, what's your thoughts on metal roofs? HGTV, you start seeing panels getting installed under shingles. Magnolia style farmhouses rise in resurgence. Everyone likes the look of metal. So it's becoming more common within traditional housing. Our thoughts are three things. One, are you financially ready to spend 2.5 times the cost of a traditional shingle roof? So money is really important when you're installing a metal roof. Two is this a forever property, right? Do you intend on living here 10, 20, 30 years from now to invest that extra amount? You might not see it on the back end if you move in 5 years. So those are two things. And then the third thing is, are you working with a contractor familiar with metal panels and comfortable with custom orders? So if those are your three things, you love the look, you have the money, you intend on being there longer, and you're confident with the outfit you picked, it's a good investment, right? There's many metal products out there. This is actually a JF metal panel. They're prefab. They go in like shingles to make metal a little cost effective. As I said, this is a barrage metal panel, Kynar finish. This actually has a glaze we could pull off to help protect the colors. All these are custom in a sense. You can get different colors along those lines. So the products are great, but really you have to be prepared for the financial burden, and if you have someone that knows what they're doing. I think if you satisfy those three categories, you're in a good situation to be happy with your investment. And the only extra credit I would say, if you are going to live there for a while, the insurance came in and bought your roof, that would be a great time to maybe consider the switch to metal, because your insurance may be covering an asphalt roof, but now they're offsetting half the cost for this improvement. So that'd be the only other time I would say, hey, this is a wise investment, is when your roof's pretty much covered for the cost of a deductible. That's when I would consider a switch. Otherwise, really you gotta go back to the drawing board and see if you satisfy those three things. So thanks. If you have more questions, let us know.